Welcome to Hope for Veterans 2024 Gala.
Voices of Valor.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early rise?
March.
First of all, everyone that has come today, because if it wasn't for you guys, gals and guys, we wouldn't be here today.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Cannot be placed in a box. And neither do I subscribe to people, places, or groups who tell me who I can and cannot be simply because of my color.
I'm going to keep it 100. It's a hard knock life in a woman's world.
And two servicemen walked to the door and they knocked, I fainted. Because I knew.
Thank you for your service.
I normally dress exactly like what I am, which is a Subaru owner. Little does he know, cool.
But it ain't you, it's me. Let me be free to make my own decisions, choices, and mistakes. Yeah.
Hard work and finally take it.
We consider ourselves warriors. On the back of the coin is her artwork.
Go Navy!
The more we get funding tonight, the more we can go, and we do a lot of support for military women. So
These are just the ladies that were in our program.